So students, in previous video we have seen closed set. In this video we will see one theorem on closed set. Theorem: let order pair xp be a metric space. Be a metric space. Then arbitrary intersection of closed set in X is closed. B, finite union of closed set in X is closed. Let us see proof of part A. In part A, we have to prove that arbitrary intersection of closed sets in X is closed. For this, let set Fi be an arbitrary. Here I is belongs to capital I. Be an arbitrary family of closed sets in X. Here our claim is intersection Fi, I belongs to capital I, is closed. Since Fi is closed for each I runs from 1, 2 and so on up. Therefore, X minus Fi is open. Therefore, X minus Fi is open for each I belongs to I or I runs from 1 to n. Here I is nothing but set of positive integers. Therefore, X minus Fi is open for each I belongs to I. Next, write Gi is equals to X minus Fi, where I runs from 1 to and so on. Therefore, Fi is equals to X minus Gi. This can be written as Fi is equals to X minus Gi. Therefore, intersection Fi is equals to, take intersection on both sides. I belongs to I, intersection Fi is equals to intersection I belongs to I, X minus Gi. I belongs to I, intersection X minus Gi. This can be written as X minus union Gi. I belongs to I. Since by De Morgan's law. See here how this can be written as, because what we have given, intersection X minus Gi. X minus Gi is the complement of Gi, okay? That is G1 complement, intersection G2 complement and so on, which is equals to, by De Morgan's law, this can be written as G1 union G2 union and so on, their complement, and this can be written as X minus union Gi. That's why intersection X minus Gi is equals to X minus union Gi. We know that arbitrary union of open set is open. We know that arbitrary union of open set is open. Therefore, union I belongs to I, Gi is open. Therefore, see here, why Gi is open? Because Gi is equals to x minus fi, and x minus fi is open for each I. Therefore, their union Gi is also open. Therefore, x minus union Gi, I is belongs to capital I, is closed. This set is open, therefore its complement, that is x minus union Gi is closed. X minus union Gi is nothing but intersection fi. I belongs to capital I, is closed. See here, what we have considered? Fi be an arbitrary family of closed sets in X. We have to prove that intersection fi is closed. Since each fi is closed for each I, therefore their complement is open for each I. We have take Gi is equals to x minus fi, and with Gi is nothing but complement of fi, and fi is complement of Gi. Therefore, fi is equals to x minus Gi. Here, take intersection on both sides. We get intersection I belongs to capital I, fi is equals to intersection I belongs to capital I, x minus Gi. By De Morgan's law, this can be written as x minus union Gi. We know that arbitrary union of open set is open. Here, each x minus fi is open, therefore Gi is open, and by this theorem, union Gi is open. Union Gi is open, therefore its complement is closed, and this set is nothing but intersection fi, which is closed. Hence, here we can say that arbitrary intersection of, let's say therefore arbitrary intersection of closed set is closed. Now we will prove part B. Let set fi, but in part B we have to prove finite union of closed set in X is closed. Therefore, fi I runs from 1 to and so on up to n. Be a finite family. Of closed set in X. Our claim is, what is our claim? Finite union of closed set is closed. That is, I runs from 1 to n, fi is closed. Since each fi is closed, I runs from 1 to and so on up to n. Therefore, their complement, that is x minus fi, is open for I runs from 1 to and so on up to n. Write Gi is equals to x minus fi. That is, Gi is the complement of fi. Therefore, fi is equals to complement of Gi. Take union on both sides. What we get? Union I runs from 1 to n, fi, union I runs from 1 to n x minus g r. By De Morgan's law, this can be written as x minus intersection I runs from 1 to n g r. Why this is? Since by De Morgan's law, De Morgan's law, which is equals to, since by De Morgan's law, we know that finite intersection of open set is open. We know that finite intersection, we have seen this theorem in previous videos. We know that finite intersection of open set is open. Therefore, intersection I runs from 1 to n gi is open. Since gi is nothing but x minus fi and which is open, therefore intersection gi is open. Therefore, x minus intersection I runs from 1 to n gi is closed for I runs from 1 to n so on up to n. Therefore, and x minus intersection gi is nothing but union fi. Union I runs from 1 to n fi is closed. Hence, therefore, in next line write down finite union of closed set in X is closed. See here, what we have to prove? Finite union of closed sets in X is closed. For this, let us consider set Fi I runs from 1 to n be a finite family of closed sets in X. We have to prove union Fi is closed. Since each Fi is closed, their complement is obviously open, right? Gi is equals to x minus Fi. Therefore, Fi is nothing but x minus Gi. Take union on both sides. By De Morgan's law, this side is x minus intersection Gi. We know that finite intersection of open set is open. Therefore, intersection Gi is open. Hence, its complement Gi. Complement means x minus intersection Gi is closed. Therefore, union Fi is closed. Therefore, finite union of closed sets in X is closed. Hence, proof of part B is complete. Let us take one remark. Arbitrary union or even countably infinite union of closed set need not be closed. What is remark? Arbitrary union or even countably infinite union of closed sets need not be closed. Let us see one example on this remark. Consider the family set of all open intervals 1 by n to 2. N is belongs to set of all natural numbers of closed set in the usual metric space Ru. Then union of all sets closed interval 1 by n to 2 such that n is belongs to set of all natural numbers. Here such that which is equals to, what is the union of this set, which is equals to open interval, semi open closed interval 0 2. See here, as n tends to infinity 1 by n tends to 0, but it is not exactly 0, therefore this interval is open at 0 and closed at 2, which is not closed set, which is not closed set. Why this set is not closed? Because its complement, that is r minus semi open closed interval 0 2, which is equals to minus infinity open interval minus infinity 2 closed at 0, because 0 is not included in this interval, therefore 0 must be included in its complement. It's closed union open at 2 to infinity, and this set is not open. Why this set is not open? Because for any open sphere centered on 0 does not contain, since it is not open. Why it is not open? Since SR of 0 is not contained in R minus semi open closed interval 0 2 for all r greater than 0, for all r greater than 0.